Guys, I'm at Disneyland. My mama. Hey. See you guys later. Disney, y'all. Downtown Disney. The tram. Vlogger mission.
Taking pictures of my crazy mama.
Taking pictures of my crazy mama, as she said herself, because I'm still vlogging.
Hey, you're in the happiest place in the world. You might as well be.
Ooh, so pretty.
Well, yes, I am.
You're crazy. Whoa.
$600
Those earphones are nice.
for $600.
I'll take them. Ooh, that's pretty.
It's heavy.
I can imagine. That's pretty. Is that a sketchbook? Oh, it's a tablet holder. It's pretty. Oh, look, they have a phone case too, but I bet my phone doesn't fit. Don't sing along, we get freaking copyrighted.
Oh.
Ah! The cash registers. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. It's Eeyore. And the back is Rabbit. Oh, look at that up there. That is so pretty. Look at all the artwork on the top. Oh, that's so beautiful. All the artwork on that side. Oh, that's so pretty, everyone.
Wish you were here with us.
All these pins, I'm gonna get rid of them.
Look at that bag.
That is pretty. Yeah, look at that. That's a pretty bag.
I love this. I would look so cute in this. Don't you disagree? Yes,
Star Wars. Look at those pins. Those are cute pins. Like. Where are we going?
in the hotel. Go walk around.
Nice. We're going into the main lobby.
Someday we're gonna stay here.
Someday when we have a lot of money. Because this place is expensive. It is beautiful. And we are here.
Love this place. It's beautiful.
Let's go into the gift shop.
But then we want to go over there to where the
Look at the D. The giant D.
oh wait. Take a picture of me. Need to make a phone call.
Need to make a phone call.
Go flash the phone. Sorry before I get in trouble. Hello, Mr. Mickey. Yes, I'm here for our date. It's chilly in here.
It's cold in here. And it's about to get dark again. Oh, it got dark.
Oh no! Oh no, we have a light problem.
Now we're going into the hotel's gift shop. Light. We have a section of hats. What you doing? That's creepy. It's okay. Take it.
No, you did a couple days ago.
Look at all them pins.
How are you doing today?
Hello.
Anything I can help you find? Can you give a character?
No, just looking around, thank
Just
you.
looking around, thank you. This charm bracelet is beautiful. Oh, the charms are prettier too. The shirts.
So expensive. No, not too bad. And not so cheap.
Not cheap. Mickey ears. If you buy a water bottle here, it's like $4. It's insane.
That's why you should have got the bag.
It is like the Chip and Dale.
32, 39.
How pretty. So many pretty stationery. How pretty is this? Look at the D at the top. It's with like a little diamond and stuff. How beautiful is this place? The gift shop.
Looking for the dude who plays the piano.
It's about to get dark.
It's about to get romantic in here.
Whoa, dude, my eyes. I can't believe I'm actually here. Prissy's Cute Art is on the road, but I'm excited to be here, so yay! She's taking pictures back there. Can you see her? She's right there. I'm poking her. Tickle, tickle, tickle. She doesn't even realize it. And I'm being watched. It's kind of weird. This is my first vlog. Look at that. It's so pretty.